Hi guys, I'm Engine Cadet Flores Vince Lester, and in this video, I'm going to discuss the new technologies in the maritime industry that can aid in the compliance of marine environmental protection. Now, in this generation, the technologies encompasses the application of scientific knowledge to practical purposes, including the digital tools, communication system, and the innovative solution for various people needs and some challenges. Challenges such as the pollution on sea. The shipping industry is undergoing a significant transformation in order to contribute towards a greener marine environment, at both on manufacturing and administrative. The maritime industry is taking advantage of the latest technologies to ensure the new ships contribute as low as possible in the global pollution. This shift is fueled by the adoption of innovative technologies, revolutionize how ships operate, reduce emission, and protect the marine ecosystem. Here are the new technologies emerging in the maritime industry. The first one is the satellite technology remote sensing on board ship. This satellite technology plays a crucial role on board ship because it enables real-time data exchange, enhancing navigation, safety, and monitoring maritime activities. This includes the ship's detection, tracking, and environmental protection. The second one is the autonomous underwater vehicles, which are the AUV. These AUVs are unmanned robotic system that explores underwater environment autonomously, unlike the remote operated vehicles which required a constant operator input. The AUV are used in various tasks like mapping the seafloor. The third one is the drones are unmanned aerial vehicles. Drones are equipped with cameras and sensors that can monitor a large areas quickly and effectively detecting oil spill, illegal dumping, and other environmental violations. The fourth one is the IoT sensors on board ship. This enables real-time data collection and analysis, enhancing maritime safety efficiency and the sustainability by the monitoring vessels' performance, cargo conditions, and environmental factors. The fifth one is the smart navigation system. This advanced navigation system, including using AI and machine learning, can optimize routes, reduce fuel consumption, and minimize emission. The sixth one is the electronic monitoring system, which are the EMS. This tracks a ship fuel consumption and emission and other operational data, proving the real-time insight into the environmental protection. The seventh one is the AI. AI is being used to optimize ships' routes, improve fuel efficiency, and enhancing safety also. Next is the big data analysis. This can be used to analyze various amounts of data from sensors, weather forecasts, and other sources of information, decision about the ship's operation, reduce emission, and improve efficiency. The last one is the blockchain technology. Has a potential in revolutionizing the maritime industry by enhancing security, transparency, and effectively in global supply chains, offering solutions for document transparency, provenance validation, and streaming process. Now, in other technologies, these technologies includes the robotics, because the robotics can solve trash on sea. The robotics used in new technologies combating ocean trash includes a system like the Interceptor. The Interceptor are the ocean cleanup, which uses an AI to detect and collect waste from the river so that the trash can't go on the sea. A floating trash collector that skims garbage to the surface, as well as a specialized nets and filtration. Here are some examples of new technologies that can reduce air pollution on board ships, like the kite sail system. This kite sail system can reduce 40 to 20% fuel consumption. And the other example is the advantage rudder and propeller. New design can save up to 4%. And the exhaust scrubber can reduce SOx, NOx emission by 98%. In conclusion, technology is the key to maritime industry for the environmental protection efforts. New system can track emission and waste, improve navigation, and reduce fuel use. Digital tools can boost transparency and accountability. Cleaner fuels design vessels, further minimizing environmental impact. While the challenges exist, the technology offers a path towards a greener maritime future. So that concludes my video. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.